Hey, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. People call me Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel and I also trade the Forex market. We are in a time where everyone is confused. The whole nation, presidents and media, everyone is totally in confusion right now. Many people have died. Many are still going to die. Many people have lost their jobs and many are still going to lose their job. So many nations are trying to rescue their citizens by issuing out checks and they call it a stimulus. Well, as a person, I don't have checks to give to you, but what I can offer to you is a skills that can make you triumph in this new era, in this new economy, in this economy meltdown. And I call this free 21 days COVID-19 Forex trading relief masterclass. Okay, so for the next 21 days, I'm going to be coaching, I'm going to be teaching you on how to get this access. This is the skills that have helped me to achieve everything that I've achieved in life, and I want to pass that same skills to you. So what I'm going to be doing is every day you will receive an email from me that will give you a lesson, and of course after 21 days of this training you should be ready to go and get started trading the largest financial market in the world, which is Forex trading. So it depends on where you are watching this video. There might be a link above or below this particular video, or a space where you can enter your name and your email address, and to take you to where you will confirm your email address, because this is not meant for spammers. You must be ready to do this, and we must be ready to do this together. Let me quickly take you through what you are going to be getting access to. So you're going to be getting access to all this training. As you can see, it's a Tradermatic Masterclass. This is a course that I sold for $497, but you're going to be getting access to everything on this particular course. But to avoid information overload, so every day you will receive an email that will take you through each and every one of them, and at the end of the 21 days you are ready to go. Okay, so I'm glad I'm doing this as my own contribution to the world, as my own contribution to you, and I hope you are ready to take advantage of this. I look forward to see you in this training. Congratulations.